Welcome to the fascinating world of smart home automation, where cutting-edge technology meets everyday convenience. In this video, we'll cover the essentials of transforming your home into a tech-savvy haven that simplifies your life and enhances your living experience. The benefits of home automation. Smart home technology offers numerous benefits, such as increased energy efficiency, enhanced security, and improved convenience. Popular smart devices on the market. There's a wide array of smart devices available to cater to various aspects of home automation. Voice-controlled assistants like Amazon Echo or Google Home, smart lighting systems, intelligent security cameras, and advanced climate control systems are just a few examples of the incredible technology you can incorporate into your home. Getting started with home automation. Selecting a central hub to begin your smart home journey. Choose a central hub or voice-controlled assistant to control all your smart devices seamlessly. Options like Amazon Echo, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit can serve as the foundation of your smart home ecosystem. Prioritizing areas for automation. Next, consider which areas of your home would benefit most from automation. Focus on key aspects such as lighting, temperature control, security, or entertainment. Identify the devices that would have the most significant impact on your daily life and start there. Step-by-step setup and configuration. Once you've selected your devices, follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and setup. Connect your devices to your central hub or voice-controlled assistant, then configure the settings and automation routines tailored to your needs and preferences. Expanding your smart home ecosystem. As you become more comfortable with smart home technology, you can gradually expand your ecosystem by adding new devices and automation routines. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a customized smart home experience that caters to your unique lifestyle.